Welcome to ABP Live Auto Awards 2025. We have one of the winners with us tonight, which is Off-Roader for the Year in two-wheeler segment, and the winner is BMW R1300 GS. First of all, congratulations for the award.
Thank you, thank you.
Are you an autonaut, and what makes person an autonaut?
Well, I think it could be a lot of things, yeah, but the first thing that you got to have is love for the road. And at BMW Group India, we are very lucky because we have a really huge portfolio of cars and motorcycles. And today we are really happy to win this award from ABP Live. So, yeah.
So now we really love the design and the elements of the bike. How does it stand different from the other products in the market? How is this so special that it has won the award?
Right. So actually R1300 GS is a flagship product of the GS range, and the GS range, the BMW Motorrad GS range, is known for its off-roading skills, right? So the product substance is really legendary, and it has built a very great reputation for itself, the whole portfolio itself. So R1300 GS is one of the newest and the flagship model in that range. So a lot of things actually make it a favorite and make it a winner, whether it's the design, whether it's the off-roading capabilities, whether it's the dynamics, what all you can do with the bike, and most importantly, it's about making life a ride. So the kind of experiences that it enables you to have, I think that's what people really love about it.
One oomph factor for this product?
Well, you have to ride it and you just fall in love with it, right? So you have to ride it to really know that it's your partner on all journeys, whatever you want to do.
Thank you so much, and congratulations once again for receiving this award.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.